Once the cool air kind of moved into my area of the world, I live in Western Canada, I start thinking about all the cozy things I can bring into my home, into my cooking, and even into my self-care. Today, I want to share with you some ways that you can include essential oils into your fall lineup. So I have for you some recipes, and I think that you're going to love them. And the best way for me to tell you about them, unfortunately, would be for you to like sniff, but I'm going to actually share my screen and show you what I mean. These recipes are completely free. I have them as a download so that you can save them and refer back to them. I find that really handy. If you maybe save them onto your computer, then you can pull them up as you need them. So I'm going to quickly share my screen and show you what I mean. So if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Gaylene Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness, and I help women really boost their energy and lose unwanted weight with healthy eating and simple lifestyle changes. Using essential oils is something that I find a really powerful way of feeling better and just looking after ourselves. So inside my resource library, the gift that I have for you today is called Fall Essential Oil Remedies. Now, there is a bunch of nice things in here. So everything from a ginger essential oil, which is like a relief for sore throats, to immune boosting essential oils, to an herbal tea, to a turmeric mask, all different kinds of things. So here's what it is once you go in. You're going to click on the link that's here with this video. You'll enter your name and your email address. That's going to give you a username and login access to this program. This program is completely free. This is my gift to you. Once you get inside, I want you to click on the seasonal button and go to Fall Essential Oil Remedies. You can see there's other fall things in there as well. So cooking with pumpkin, healthy fall, there's some spring stuff, there's all kinds of stuff. But today I wanna share with you this Fall Essential Oil Remedies, okay? What you're gonna do is click this Download Now button, and that's gonna pop this open. Once you're inside, you're gonna get these recipes that I talk about. Now, when I'm sharing recipes, we're using pure essential oils. So if you need some recommendations for good quality essential oils, make sure you ask. But these are some ideas that I love, a lot of my clients use, and I wanted to share with you as well. So as you dive in, you're actually going to get some recipes and how to use them, and you'll really get walked through the step-by-step as to what you need. So even this pumpkin spice diffuser blend, if you are one of those people that loves this whole fall environment of making things really spicy and cozy, then having some of this in your home you will love. So it includes cinnamon, orange, clove, and cardamom. Doesn't that sound delicious? So it smells yummy just from here looking at it on my screen. So as you grab this guide, there's more and more down below, but I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek inside. These are some things that you can start using right away. And so if you have any questions, of course, reach out anytime, but go ahead, download the guide. Again, it's completely free, my gift for you. Download it now, take advantage of this whole cool weather, autumn feel, make your house nice and cozy, and really start supporting yourself with things like essential oils for your health. If you need help, reach out. I'm here to talk. I cannot wait to hear what you think of these recipes. Again, click the link that's here with this video. You're going to sign up for it. It's completely free. And as soon as you get inside, go to the seasonal and download this one. But while you're there, there's tons of other good stuff. It's all free. So go ahead, log in, grab what you want, download it, and get started. I will see you over there.